everybody, welcome to the Pretty Life Girls. Today we are going to show you 6 ways to finish a beaded bracelet. My name is Sam.
And I'm Liz, and we love making handmade bracelets. And there's lots of different ways that you can finish them off, so you get a lot of different variety, and you can use a lot of different materials to make it work.
We're gonna do stretchy bracelets, clasps, adjustable, and all sorts of things. So let's do it. The first way we're going to finish a bracelet is with a basic knot. Just tie right over left, and then left over right, and pull the knot tightly. You can use a dot of super glue to secure the knot, and then cut the string near the knot. For this bracelet, we're going to do a surgeon's knot, but we've added some larger beads to hide the knot. So start off by doing your right over left and pulling, then right over left again, but before pulling, you're going to loop the end through one more time. Pull it tight and cut the ends. Then you can scoot the beads over the knot to hide it. Next, we're going to use a crimp bead knot cover to hide the knot and hold it in place. We'll start by tying a basic knot. Then take your crimp cover and put it around the knot. Use pliers to close the cover and then cut the ends right up against the cover. For this bracelet, we're going to use crimped covers again, but we are going to leave tails for a little something extra. Start with your basic knot to finish your bracelet, then tie a knot on each tail about 1 inch up the string. Cover the knots with crimp covers using your pliers and cut the string ends right up against the crimp cover. And repeat on the other side. Next, we're going to finish this bracelet with a clasp and clamshell knot covers. Thread a clamshell on one end of your bracelet and then tie a knot around the string. Scoot the clamshell up to cover the knot and use your pliers to close the clamshell. Cut the string against the clamshell and then add a jump ring through the clamshell loop using pliers to open and close the jump ring. Moving to the other side of the bracelet, thread another clamshell. Then tie a knot using a needle to move the knot down the bracelet so the clamshell sits right up against the beads. Use your pliers to close the clamshell and cut the string. Then add a jump ring and a clasp to the end of the clamshell. Another way to finish a clasp bracelet is with crimp beads. Thread a crimp bead on one end of your beaded bracelet, followed by a jump ring. Thread the string back down through the crimp bead. Use pliers to flatten the crimp bead so it holds the string tightly. Cut the excess string with scissors. On the other side of your bracelet, thread a crimp bead, then your clasp, and thread the string back down through the crimp bead, adjusting the string so the crimp is against the beads. Flatten the crimp bead and cut the excess string. Last of all, we'll show you how to make an adjustable bracelet. Lay your bracelet down with the ends overlapping. Bring another piece of string under the ends of the bracelet and tie it around those ends. Begin a square knot by bringing the left cord over. The right cord then comes down over the tail of the left. Take the right cord under the left cord and both of the main bracelet cords. Bring the cord up through the loop. Pull both cords tight to complete the first part of the square knot. To complete the knot, bring the right cord over and the left comes down over its tail. Take the left cord under both the main bracelet cords and up through the loop. Pull both cords to tighten. You now have one complete square knot. Make as many square knots as you want. Trim the cord and secure the knot with a small dot of glue if needed, being careful not to catch the bracelet cords with the glue. Adjust the bracelet to about the size it would be when you wear it. Then add crimp covers to the tails by tying a knot on each side about 1 inch up the string and adding crimp covers with your pliers.
Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope it was helpful in your bracelet making. Be sure to subscribe to our videos so you don't miss any of our tutorials, and send us a message if there is a tutorial you want us to cover. We'd love to do that and have so much fun making your bracelets. Bye!